Hello everyone. I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Robert Manhabihan and my last four student ID are 1216. Okay, this is I want to complete my last final project about statistics and namely in correlation. So, happy watching guys. Hello everyone. Now I want to complete my assignments or my final project about statistics to find test of normality, ANOVA table, graphs, and correlation. Okay, for the first, we open the Excel first to input the data. We copy. Okay, copy, and we move to SPSS and input the data here. Okay, and we open the Excel again to copy the second data, that writing achievement. Okay, copy, and we open the SPSS again. Okay, after pass the data, that namely learning motivation and writing achievement, we click variable view in the bottom. After we click, we change name into learning motivation. Abbreviation is LM, and in the second we change into writing achievement. Abbreviation is WA. WA. And in the label, we change into the name, namely learning motivation. And in the second, wait, learning motivation. In the second is writing achievement. Okay, in the values we don't change anything, missing done, columns done, light done, and in measure we change into scale. Scale here, not, and we click data view again. Okay, for the first step, we want to search the test of normality. To search the test of normality, we click analyze and we choose descriptive statistic and we choose explore. Here, explore. And we move learning and writing achievement in the same table, namely dependent list, because here doesn't has independent list. Okay, after that we choose plots and we click in normality plots with test. Continue and click OK. Okay, here we have the test of normality. Okay, next we want to search ANOVA table. We click analyze again and we click compare means and we choose means. After we click means, we remove writing achievement into dependent list and learning motivation into independent list. And we click options and we click test for linearity on the bottom. Okay, we click We click continue and we click OK. Okay, here we have ANOVA table. And then we search grabs. If we want to search grab, we click grabs and we click legacy dialogs and we click scatter or dot. And here we choose simple scatter and we click define. After that, we move learning motivation in the y-axis and writing achievement in x-axis. And title, options, rows we don't fill. And here we unclick, we unclick and click OK. Okay, this is my grab, learning motivation and writing achievement. After that, we double click, we double click and we search in add feed line at total and we click. After that, we close and this is the result of our grab. And then for the last, we search correlate. To search correlation, we choose correlate and we click bivariate and we move learning motivation and writing achievement into variables table. Ocean style bootstrap, we don't change anything. And for the mixture, you click the person or you and flag and click OK. Okay, this is my correlation. And we move to my word. Okay everyone, is there any significant correlation between learning motivation and writing achievement? In null hypothesis, there is no significant correlation between learning motivation and writing achievement. In alternative hypothesis, there is a significant correlation between learning motivation and writing achievement. In the test of normality, the significant value is 950 is higher than 0.05. So the data for both variables are normally distributed. And in ANOVA table, writing and learning motivation significant is higher than 0.05. So the data for both variables do not deviate from linearity. And the values lower than 0.05. The values of both variables are significantly linear. And this is my graph, learning motivation and writing achievement. And for the last is correlation. So since the significance value 0.300 is greater than 0.05, the null hypothesis is accepted while the alternative hypothesis is rejected. Therefore, there is no significant correlation between learning motivation and writing achievement. The Pearson correlation coefficient 0.094 indicates a very weak positive correlation between the two variables. Thank you very much. Okay, until here my videos. I apologize to my mistakes. Thank you.